This week, pay for fuel at any PP garage using your Nedbank debit card to stand a chance to win a cash prize of 10,000 rands. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the TSTV Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by KG.
Sibo.
What's up, my brother?
Hey, Shapo Zed, my brother.
Akim Nati.
Hola.
We won this one game.
Gave me a very good game of football from our side.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
I think the boys did well. They did well.
Yeah.
Despite the fact that we've got a lot of people. We've got some players that are out.
Yes, my brother.
We've got Msimango. We've got Dove.
Yes.
Solomons and Frosler also out. You understand? So we had to bring in Ditlokwe.
Yeah.
We had to bring in Ngobo, which I believe is a player that did well today.
Yes.
We played a 4-3-3 system.
Okay.
Like I said the last time, you need to command in the middle of the park. You don't command the middle of the park, you are bound to become dominated. You understand?
Yes.
So for me, I'd say the boys tried their best today as compared to the previous games.
Yeah.
But when you lead early on in the game, in the first 5 minutes of the game, or first 2 minutes, you get a goal. You manage the game. You don't manage the game,
you get punished.
You get punished. You understand?
Yeah.
You get carried away, you'll still get punished.
Yes.
Manage the game. And what I want this team to do now, they must know when to play with speed. They must know when to relax, play it easy. Okay, AmaZulu also came out. Obviously, they are playing for a top eight spot.
Okay,
They are not survival. They are trying to play for a to get into the top 8. You understand?
Yeah.
So I don't know when will Zwane get his chance.
Someday.
We need him to play. We need Samkelo Zwane to play. 2 games to go. Unfortunately, didn't get the chances. Yeah, you know, Samkelo Zwane is a baller. He's a baller. Yeah, he's a baller. He's the type of player that you need in the middle of the park.
Yes.
You understand? What I loved also is the fact that Mfundo, bit by bit, is coming. He's being played with the seniors. You know, when you compete with the seniors, it builds your mental character.
Yeah.
Eventually, it'll come right.
Yes.
People must not be harsh on him whenever he makes mistakes because he's still young. Yeah, but you could see that there's a lot of potential from the boy.
Yes.
We needed to win this one because if we don't finish
in the top 8,
if we don't finish in the top 8, my brother, we are 1 trophy down. We finish 8th, we are up against the log leaders. You understand? Sundowns. A very tough match. Yeah, tough fixture, obviously. They've been getting the better of us. But sharper one way, understand? Sharper, my brother.
But you can't compare Chiefs and Sundowns, my man.
No, I'm not comparing. I'm not making any comparison.
No, I don't understand.
Yeah, it's a valid point. So for me, I'd say I finish in the top 8.
Yes.
I get a good pre-season.
Yes.
So that I can actually prepare the team can get prepared on time. So that when I face them, then I know that I'll be ready, my brother. You understand?
Man of the match, KG.
Oh, for me, man of the match has to be the goalkeeper, Velimoto. I think he did well. There was this ball that he saved.
Yes.
A chance, Dupree's chance.
Yes.
That I believe that should have been a goal. That one should have been a goal. We would have won that match. Now let's go to Polokwane City there at FMB and hope we get the maximum points, my brother.
Thank you very much, KG. Thank you, KG.